December the 15th, 2019. Guys, you're looking at an article from today from AccuWeather, and it says severe storms to erupt in the southeastern U.S. to start this week. And I think it's going to be very important because of the temperatures that we're dealing with here in the southeast, and then we've got this Arctic vortex dropping polar air on top of us. And what does that mean? It means severe thunderstorms. Again, 6:34 p.m. Central tonight, Sunday night, the 15th. Outside, guys, we got 73 degrees. Do you understand what I'm saying? So when we come into this cold front, things are going to get very bad very quickly. And again, Sunday report, and if you see some things flashing on your screen, I don't know if it's some type of interference, maybe some other news popping in there, just check it out. But it says a system sweeping across the Mississippi Valley early this week will threaten parts of the deep south with severe thunderstorms. The storm moving out of the Rocky Mountains in the coming days will occur in two parts. Pay attention. First wave will bring wintry conditions to the Central Plains and Ohio Valley on Sunday and Sunday night. That's tonight. The second part will organize into a potent storm system over the Mississippi Valley on Monday. And this map kind of tells the whole deal, guys. It says the system will pull warm, moist air north from the Gulf of Mexico into the deep south. At the same time, an area of high pressure will quickly build into the plains behind the system, dragging cold air south from Canada. Again, pay attention to this because I think this is going to be a pretty fast change. And when they're like that, and we have this type of degree change as far as temperature, things can get bad very quickly. Notice the area from Louisiana through our area in Mississippi, Nashville, Tennessee, Atlanta, approaching Atlanta, down through most of Alabama. Warm air coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. Colder air pushing down at this point through Arkansas. So what we're going to have, this is Monday and Monday night tomorrow. Look on the left, it says damaging winds, travel disruptions, isolated tornadoes, hail. AccuWeather Local Storm Max is predicting up to 70 mile per hour winds. Of course, in a tornado, it's much faster than that, but that's enough to do a lot of damage. We've got a great collision of two systems here, and we're in grand solar minimum. It says the clash of these air masses will create unsettled conditions across the lower Mississippi Valley. Through the morning hours, showers and thunderstorms are forecast to develop along a cold front sweeping through the area. Storms are expected to strengthen into the afternoon, so guys, be prepared early. Don't wait for tomorrow night. And the evening hours becoming strong and even severe. The strongest storms look to develop in western Tennessee, western Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, and will threaten Nashville and Memphis, Tennessee, as well as Jackson, Mississippi. That's just above us here. These storms will be capable of producing damaging wind gusts, torrential downpours, hail, and even an isolated tornado or two. Guys, if you've noticed this afternoon in this area, if you live here, we finally had some sun come out after these 3 or 4 days of fog, but the winds would pick up and these gusts would come in. Well, that's going to continue through the night. It says again, the storms will be capable of producing damaging wind gusts, downpours, hail, and even an isolated tornado too, said AccuWeather meteorologist Brandon Buckingham. These threats will continue for a time into the evening hours, becoming even more dangerous in the dark. It says travelers on Interstates 20, 22, 40, and 55 and others in the area should plan for rapidly changing conditions along the route as the storms track eastward. Even in the absence of stronger storms, plenty of moisture across the region can lead to downpours, so watch for flash flooding in the lower areas. Any thunderstorms can produce torrential downpours, which could sharply reduce visibility. Now, when you can squeeze this much moisture, and it's been hot all the way from here to Texas, my friend Nick Robinson from Austin said it earlier today in that first video. It was already up to 70 there. Now it's 72. That's very warm, even here, for the middle of December. It says motorists should also be wary of ponding on roads and the risk of hydroplaning. And guys, here lately in the last few months, I think hydroplaning has been the major cause of death on the Mississippi highways. Most storms are forecast to gradually weaken late on Monday night as the front continues to push to the east. Once this threat for thunderstorms track eastward through the overnight hours, cold air will rush in behind the passage of a cold front. It's going to get cold. Showers and thunderstorms will shift into the southeast on Tuesday, where the environment will be less conducive for severe weather. However, storms may still produce periods of heavy rain and gusty wind. Now, guys, there's another storm coming that's going to be even more violent. If you look at the time step on this is today, December 5th, 2019. This is at Gateway Pundit. There's a lot of information breaking out there. I'm talking about big time. Read this. Check it out. It's a heads up. Be safe.